What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man. We are back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing straight from the Goat app. I actually have two unboxings to show you guys. I'm gonna save one later because I got something else coming in for that sneaker specifically, man. And also got a couple of packages in from a couple of different brands I'm gonna show you guys today. So right now, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, ring notification bell for your boys to never miss any other video. Make sure you go check out that last How to Cop Yeezy 350 V2 brand that we will be getting that huge, massive re-release, restock, whatever you want to call it. A lot of pairs, 575,000 pairs releasing to the public. So make sure you go check out that video because it still should be able to help you guys out knowing where to cop them manually this upcoming Saturday, man. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at the TopzWorld, link down below in the description box, and make sure you go check out the gaming channel link down below as well, man. So all that being said, let's jump right into some of these packages we got to show you guys today, man. Let's get it. All right, so first things first, check it out right here. I actually got these sneakers gifted to me by the homie TopzWorld, and it's just not a regular sneaker, man. He actually put some hard work into this right here, and I wanted to show you guys these joints. Super crispy, all black Air Force Ones, but he put a nice spin to it. You got like a Supreme logo, got some Louis V logos all around the sneaker, on the toe box. Even the trimming on the back of these joints got that nice Tiffany blue on the back. I really love this sneaker, man. Shouts out to the homie Tops. Let me pull the other one out real quick so you can check this one out. He put a little bit more time on this one. The whole entire toe box of this one right here has that nice Tiffany blue and Louis V logos all around it. But me, honestly, I like this one better. I don't know what it is. They still go hand in hand with each other. I just really like how he gave it a nice little spin to it and didn't give the same exact logo on both of the sneakers, man. So you got a Supreme over here, and this right here don't got no Supreme. It's got that Louis V Tiffany blue all around it. And even the lace tips has that nice Tiffany blue as well. You know, a lot of people don't rock all black Air Force Ones, but when you put a nice little spin to it, a nice little customization, I don't see why I can't throw these with a dope fit. And I can actually wear these what I got on right now. And it's a bunch of clothes in the wardrobe and some stuff that we got coming in from Fashion Nova that you guys are gonna see me throw these joints on with, because these are super fire. Again, shouts out to the homie Tops, man. Go check them out, link down below. I really do appreciate this, bro. I honestly cannot thank you enough. And not actually just sending me over a free pair of sneakers, actually putting some time into this one for a couple of days. You said you're working on this one. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, go check out the homie TopzWorld. Link down below in the description box, man. All right, guys, next we have a package from Cuzzo Clothing. They said it's gonna send me out something. I was super excited about what I was gonna get. I've been following them for a little while now. They have some dope clothing, some nice designs, some nice graphic tees and all that good stuff. Let's pull out the first item right here. Check it out, check it out. You have an orange Cuzzo Clothing tee. They got their own tags and everything. This is dope, bruh. And I think this is, who is this up front? I think this is Julius Caesar on the front, I'm not too sure. But they mixed in that with like some nice off-white vibes right here. Check it out. You can wear this with a lot of different things. On the side, you can see it says Cuzzo Clothing. And over here, it says Never Brand Washed. Yo, appreciate this Cuzzo Clothing for sending this over. Let's get into the next thing you guys sent over real quick. And it looks like the hoodie that I keep seeing everybody have. And I finally have my own hoodie. Check it out, check it out. The nice Cuzzo Clothing hoodie right here. You see it says Cuzzo on the front. All over baby blue vibes, man. Super dope. And I cannot wait to throw this joint on with an outfit. And this go perfect with the UNC Obsidian Air Jordan 1s. There's a bunch of other sneakers over here in the drop fronts that I can definitely throw this nice Cuzzo Clothing hoodie on with, man. So again, shouts out Cuzzo Clothing. I will link them down below. Make sure you go check them out. They got some nice drip over there to offer at some very affordable prices, man. All right, guys, next we have some stuff over from H&M. Check it out, check it out. You guys know I love H&M, especially when I was overseas in Germany, and they just made an H&M here in the mall down the street from the crib. And I was like, bro, this is super dope. I went in there, checked out what they had. So I picked up a couple of things about the first one. I really like hitting their sales rack. That's where you kind of get some clothes that got some defects, some stuff you probably won't even notice while you're wearing it. And you get some stuff for a super good price. So this shirt right here only costs $7. And as you can see, man, we got the Lil Nas X and Billy Ray Cyrus on the front of the tee right here. $6, you can't beat it. And it's like a nice graphic tee you can throw on with anything you're wearing on a daily basis, man. And then last but not least from H&M, we got the nice Sherpa hoodie right here. This actually costs a little penny, but I was like, bro, I cannot pass this up. I love the Sherpa like a hoodie effect, and I overall just like the color of this hoodie right here, man. So check it out. If you guys want to see another one of those H&M shopping vlogs, let me know down below in the comment section, because I know the last one we did got some crazy views and some crazy comments. So if you want to see it, let me know down below in the comment section, man. All right, guys, now to the unboxing. Check it out. Shouts out to the GOAT app. I usually go to them when I'm taking some L's on some sneakers in the past, and this one right here has to be one of the sneakers of the year that, you know, surprised a lot of people, sold out, and now the resale is going for a lot of money. I went ahead and decided to pull the trigger ASAP before it creeps up to that $400 or $500 price range, because I'm gonna be super upset I didn't cop it when I had the chance to get it for the price I got it for, man. So let's get right into it. Shouts out to the GOAT app. You guys know I rock with the GOAT app heavy. Ever since I moved to Germany and I figured out they shipped overseas, and I figured out you had to pay like crazy fees and taxes for shipping overseas and stuff like that, I was like, yo, I'm about to shop with the GOAT app heavy, and they've been coming through very clutch. Never had an issue if something was going on with the sneaker, and they get back to you super fast, man, like next day type thing. So let's go ahead and get into this real quick. Check it out. I see the box already, man. I cannot wait to pull this joint out, bro. I'm super excited to finally have them in the collection, man. Let's go ahead and pull this thing out. You see the top of the box, you see it, you see it. Let's get them out, bro. I couldn't wait no longer. I had to pull the trigger ASAP because the prices on these, like I said, is going up, and as you see the box, you probably already know what they are, man. You should know what they are by looking at the box. You see the elephant print going on the bottom and a nice baby blue top with the white Jumpman logo. I was supposed to get this shoe for retail, but again, shouts out to the homie Tops. He made me take an L. He picked me up from the airport. I was like, yo, take me to the mall so I can pick up my sneakers. And next thing you know, it was too late. The shoes were sold out. And now $400 later, we finally got the sneakers. So probably like, stop talking, get straight to the sneaker. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Box open. And yeah, man, you already know how GOAT come with the authentication card right here. Each step that it goes through. And sticker right here. And oh my God, these things are crazy, bro. Check them out, Air Jordan 3 UNCs, bro. These things are beautiful. Gotta give you guys some nice B-roll over these sneakers right here. Like I said, this sneaker really surprised a lot of people. If you check the resale prices right now, you see them all like $350 plus, and I just keep seeing this shoe rise. So it was better for me to cop it when I did, because I feel like next year around the time they release, when these release like March or February or something like that, they're gonna be up in that $500-600 price range just because of that UNC colorway. And when is the next time we're gonna get an Air Jordan 3 UNC, man? You feel me? So that's why I feel like I had a copy when I did. A nice UNC sneaker. I really love it. You guys know Jordan Brand loves giving us like a GR version of a sneaker. You know, the UNC 3s actually has the UNC logo on the tongue, but this one right here just has a nice pop out Jumpman logo right here, as you guys can see. No Nike Air on the back, just a regular Jumpman and the Air down below. But the overall quality, the leather, the plushness of it, I really love it, and I think that's really what had to do with the resale prices that we see right now. So everybody watching this, I want you guys to let me know, how far do you think the resale will go up on these? Me, myself, I think they're gonna be in the 500s by next year. That's just my personal opinion. A very dope Air Jordan 3. Again, one of the colorways we probably will not see for a long time to come. So if you did not cop this sneaker, cop it now before these joints reach $500, man. These joints retail for $190. I got a size 8.5. Check it out right there. I wish I paid that regular retail price, but of course your boy took a huge L, and like I said, almost $400 later, we finally got them. I don't care, I had to get them. This is one of those must cops for the collection. Been letting go of a lot of stuff I already had. More sneaker sales to come. Everybody keep asking me. Go follow me over on Instagram. I've been throwing up some sneakers on the IG story and selling them like hotcakes, man. Been giving out some huge steals and deals, so make sure you got the post notification on IG so you know when those steals and deals come out, man. Let me know down below in the comment section if you were able to pick up the UNC 3s. Did you get them for retail? Did you have to pay that resale price? Let me know something down below. Like I said, I wish I got them for retail, but I didn't. This is all Top's fault. His YouTube and IG will be linked down below, man. Yo, and I just peeped this out, man. Shouts out to Cuzzo Clothing. They must have knew your boy picked up the UNC 3s because the color blocking goes perfect with these UNC 3s right here, man. Again, shouts out to Cuzzo Clothing. I told you guys it's gonna be something I can rock this hoodie with like it's nothing, man. I know y'all tired of me talking, but I had to show you guys a bunch of stuff. It's some more unboxings I gotta get to. I wanna show you guys a lot more stuff that I have been copping. in as far as fashion, as far as sneakers, because that's what I'm here for, man. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss any other video, any other live stream, any live cop. Tomorrow we will be doing a live cop for the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 breads. We got a cop a pair. Let's see if we can get some manually, or let's see if we hit on some of these raffles around San Antonio. I appreciate everybody for pulling up. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at TopzWorld, especially when I buy some of my sneakers for some steals. Leave a huge like on this video. Let's get this up to 400 likes. Help your boy out. We trying to get to that 40K. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.